Hey guys, Mick and
CJ's
Candies and Toys. Welcome to another video. But before we get started, CJ would like to ask you,
remember to like and subscribe and hit that like button. Hey guys, welcome to Mick and CJ's channel. It's been quite a while since we did some videos, so
it's been about a month. CJ's birthday was last week, and how old were you last week, CJ?
6, but now I'm 7.
She's 7 years old now. Big 7. Yeah.
7 is a lucky number.
7's a great number. What's good, what's not, will be determined by our new buttons. Our new buttons say, yeah, and
for the last time, no.
These are pretty funny. Do you think these will make the videos funnier? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Press the yes.
Y-E-S, yes.
Yes. Okay, so they are the new rating system that we're going to implement in these videos. And the product that we have is a very special product. All the way from Japan, we signed up to Tokyo Treat. Tokyo Treat is a box of treats and snacks from Japan. And we have two. CJ can choose which one we're going to do first. Will we like top or bottom? Gonna go top? Well, let's move the bottom aside for now. Yes. And, okay, just so you know, guys, this is completely sealed. There's the seal there. We haven't looked into it. How curious have we been to have a look and see what kind of yummy, disgusting, or just downright weird treats we have to play with. Okay.
It's candy.
Ooh, interesting. Let's go through what we have. So what's this? Well, this is Pretz. So let me have a quick look. This looks like bean pretzels.
Yeah.
So
that's disgusting.
The pretzel sticks, but it looks like they're made out of green beans.
And I'm not eating this.
Ooh, what do we got there? Bake. Oh, hang on. Just one at a time. Bake coriander.
I'm not eating that one.
What's in this one?
Candy.
Ooh, this is a good little package. Okay, I think this is pretty much about it. Oh, no, wait, before we open that one. Well, this looks interesting. They look like orange gummies.
Ooh.
Some orange gummies with that one.
Cool, can I feel it?
Hang on one. Oh, yeah, of course you can feel it. Now, that company is Asahi. A-S-A-H-I. I drink the Asahi Japanese beer.
Do you really?
I do. So I wonder if that is actually the same company.
He drinks beer.
I drink beer.
He drinks beer.
I drink beer.
Yes.
Yes, he does.
100% yes.
Alright, ooh, this is actually a good little package of candy. Alright, first candy bar. Super sour flavor, 3 cola bubblegum.
Oh, yummy.
Okay, so they're like cola bubblegum balls. Sour, and they look like liquid filled. Okay, that's interesting.
And by the way, guys, I also lost a tooth at my school.
Yeah, she lost a tooth.
It's one of my fang ones, and I lost it when I was having my talk off.
Okay, I have no idea what that is. That's very light. It kind of feels wafery, but the pictures,
Oh God!
the pictures on it kind of show someone, like really wackadoo, like really wacky.
No!
Yeah, I don't know about that one. Okay, quick, let's get to the next one.
No.
Go. Oh, this one's a lollipop. I think this is a double. Yeah, it's a double lollipop. See that? It's got ice cream and then ice cream on top, so it's like a double ice cream lollipop. That looks kind of cool.
I feel it.
Yes, feel that. And then what have we got here?
Oh my god.
I have no idea what that is.
I think that's jelly.
No, not jelly. Not jelly.
Oh,
And I have no idea what that is either. It's just got a Rockstar dude on it.
oh, I so want to feel that. Oh my god, that's so soft.
Don't know, man. And what have we got here? We got a book. Ah, good. It has exactly everything that's in it. So I'll know exactly what it is. So let's put that to the side and let's start this tasting, hey?
Okay.
Yes! Yes!
All right.
Yes, I said
I
yes.
said yes. I said yes. All right. What are we gonna start with? What are we gonna start with? What are we gonna start with?
I want to start with these.
Okay, pretzels. So, pretzels. Okay, the first word is buggering me up here. Super thin pretzel, edamame flavour.
I think we need the scissors.
Pockies? Pocky? It's
Oh.
super thin variety. These pretzels are actually edamame connected. Oh my god. Into each stick. Okay, they're just the beans. Bean pretzels. Okay, they're green. You got a green look to it. Are they any good? Any good? No?
No.
Oh, they don't smell. Oh, they smell a little peanutty. Salty?
No.
Beanie.
No!
Beanie.
No.
I'm not sure about. Oh, it's salty. It's salty snacky.
No.
Mm.
No. Yeah. Y-E-S, yes.
Yeah, they're not too bad. Very
Last
snacky.
time.
Alright, not too many.
No.
Alright, well, yeah, I like them. Okay, my turn to choose the next one. Let's go these orange ones.
Okay.
Okay, so-
Hopefully they'll be a bit better.
Hopefully they are a bit better.
I think I need a drink.
Mandarin gummy, popular classic Japanese soda. Ooh, they smell very orangey.
Oh my
Ooh,
god.
they're a little wiggly. Wiggly and squishy and sugary.
Ugh.
You ready?
Yum.
It's just gummy. It's just mandarin gummy.
I just want to eat it all.
Yeah. Okay, I'll give it a thumbs up.
I have
Not good.
3.
3.
I think I had 4 because I had 1, then I had 2 3.
Alright, you'll choose next. Your choice. Okay, give me a look at it. What is it? Oh, it's the cola balls.
Oh, whoa.
Cola balls. Hey,
Oh my god.
I don't see cola balls here. Right, no, before you have it, let's get one each. We don't know anything about these.
They're a bit squishy.
Yeah, they're a little
3.
bit squishy. They smell like cola. Okay, ready?
3.
I'm gonna beat a bite in half. Ready?
I took it all.
Oh, it's got a liquid center. Very soft.
It's sour.
There is a sourness to it. Maybe it's that minute that's really sour. Mm. That's not too bad. It's not chewing gum though, is
Swallow
it?
it.
It's not chewing gum. It's just a soft, chewy,
Yes.
liquid-filled cola
It
ball.
is sour.
100% yes.
Actually, I think it is bubblegum.
Oh.
It is bubblegum.
Oh, I want the last one.
We'll leave the last one. You can have that one later.
Okay.
Okay, my choice.
Please.
These ones.
Yay!
Yeah, what are they?
I know what I'm
Those
choosing
gum.
next. I know what I'm choosing next. I'm choosing these.
Okay.
I feel a little bit crushed up.
Oh. Here you go.
Oh! They smell like dog treats.
They do it, don't they?
Taste one.
I'm still chewing my cola chewing gum. They got soft and squishy and stuff? They are, aren't they?
No. 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 N-O. Yes. No.
Go on, try one.
No.
Just try one of these. Just
No.
see what they are. See what they're like. You tell me what flavour they are.
They taste like dog treats.
When have you eaten dog treats?
Oh.
Okay, so I'm thinking there's some sort of... I don't know. Oh, very long flavour.
My turn.
I think that's fishy.
Ew.
No. No.
Mm.
No.
Ah, that is so
No.
flavourful.
No.
Go back to the chewing gum. Oh, ah. What do you got there? I don't know.
For the last time. No. No. No.
These are crunchy. These are very
No.
crunchy. Oh, they smell like barbecue. So I think they're just like barbecue snacks.
Nope.
N-O. No.
Bleh.
Yeah, they're good. They're just a snacky barbecue snacky cakes.
Please
Yeah,
choose this.
they're good. They're good.
Choose this, please.
Okay, choose this. Hey, choose this.
I'm choosing this.
I don't know what this is. Oh,
Oh.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Um,
Oh my god.
that's a big cheesel
I
or a big twisty or something.
oh no.
You're not with your hands.
Oh.
You can see through it. I can
No.
see through it. Okay. I'll try it first, eh? Let's see what's like. Yep. That's just a cheesel. That's just a chip. That's not bad.
Yes. I said yes.
That is the most ingenious way to package them. Like, instead of having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 in a little bag, you just got one massive one.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
That's awesome.
My turn.
Y-E-S, yes.
Mm. That one looks like a lollipop, doesn't it?
It is.
These are pretty cool. These are pretty cool. There's only been one that's been absolutely disgusting so far. The rest have been not too shabby. I can agree with that. I'll take the rubbish. Want to have a look at it first? Okay, so it looks like a it's a lollipop with a with another flavour kind of on top. What flavour is it?
Caramel and chocolate.
Ah, caramel and chocolate. Is it a good one though? Is it like we have Chupa Chumps in Australia? Is it better than a Chupa Chump?
I'm not sherry.
Okay, you can have that one. Well done, Japan. Well done, Japan. Well played.
No.
Oh, they were good too. They were good too. So let's put them there.
And so was the big cheetle.
Yes, the big cheese was excellent. Okay, so
But that yuck.
coriander bake.
Ugh.
It looks like a little cake thing, but all right. Let's have a look at this.
Yeah.
Who's gonna eat all these snacks?
Oh, I don't know, dude.
I
Me neither. Well, I guess we can just give them to Coco.
Wait, Coco, our dog will probably eat the treats.
Yeah.
As long as they're not chocolate.
Oh, they look like strawberry.
Ooh, they smell like chocolate. So they're little cakey biscuit kind of things. Although they fall apart. Okay.
Oh, my God. And they also stick.
Okay. Alright. Sweet, sweet. Okay, go. Oh, very soft. Ooh. Wow.
Yum.
It's like a little brownie. Why does that say coriander? That tastes nothing like coriander. That's like a little soft, yummy, chocolatey brownie. Mmm.
Yes. Yes. 100% yes. Yes.
Wow, they are awesome. So, out of everything we had, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different food snack, 9 different food snack items,
And
they were awesome. They were awesome. They were awesome. They are awesome.
we
That is fantastic.
didn't even open this.
Yeah, we did. They were the crunchy ones.
Yeah.
They're not too bad. CJ's not a fan, but I don't mind them. The lollipop is awesome. The cola bubblegum is awesome. And they are absolutely disgusting. It's got a rock and roll dude on there with some freaking out guys in the background, but it tastes like fish, and it does not it does not represent that in any way, shape, or form on the packet.
I recommend that is disgusting.
Yeah, I recommend leave this one go. I'm gonna think Coco's gonna eat this one. Yeah. All right, so for our first Tokyo Treat crate,
Yes.
that was great.
I said
yes. It was absolutely brilliant. I reckon this one's good.
Yes.
So, have you guys tried this before? Have you had any of the Japanese crates or any of the snack crates or anything from the supermarket or anything? Oh, there's a lot of
And this,
they're
you
melty.
got- and this, you guys, is delicious.
Alright, well I think that comes to the end of this one, but we're going to be right back with another one, and I hope you like this. Please chuck a like down on the video, give us a thumbs up, comment, please comment, let us know what you like, what you don't like. We need some feedback to know what we're going to do. And CJ would also like to say,
Remember to like and subscribe and hit that like button.
thanks guys, see you next video.
Bye.